Hello everyone, I am Nada Fatima, second year MCA student at Kannur University campus. Today my topic is artificial life. What do you mean by artificial life? Artificial life, often called A-life, is a branch of artificial intelligence and complex systems research that studies life and living systems through computer simulations, robotics, and biochemistry. In simple words, it's about creating lifelike behaviors in artificial systems, that is, the systems that are not naturally alive but can act, adapt, and evolve like real organisms. The term artificial life was first introduced by Christopher Langton in 1986 at the Los Alamos National Laboratory. He believed that instead of studying life as it is, we can study life as it could be by creating its principles artificially. So let's move to the definition of artificial life. So it is the study of man-made systems that exhibit behaviors characteristics of natural living systems. So it aims to understand the fundamental principles of life by building models that show self-replication, adaptation, evolution, learning, interaction with the environment, etc. What is the goal of artificial life? Its main aim is to understand biological life by recreating it artificially, to develop lifelike artificial systems that can evolve and adapt, to explore the origin and evolution of life through simulations, also to build intelligent systems that are more flexible, adaptive, and autonomous. There are different types of artificial life. There are three types of artificial life: soft artificial life, hard artificial life, and wet artificial life. Let's move to soft artificial life. It is implemented in software, that is on computers through simulations and algorithms. Examples: cellular automata, genetic algorithms, neural networks that mimic brain learning. It is actually used for studying evolution, behavior, and complex systems. Second one is hard artificial life, which is implemented in hardware such as robots or machines designed to behave like living organisms. Example: robots that learn and adapt to their surroundings, swarm robots that mimic ants or bees in cooperation. This is used for robotics, autonomous agents, and adaptive systems. Third one is wet artificial life. It is implemented in biochemical or synthetic biology experiments. Scientists use DNA, RNA, or proteins to create synthetic cells or lifelike molecules. Wet artificial life is used for studying the origin of life and developing synthetic organisms for medicine or industry. What are the characteristics of artificial life system? Self-organization is the first one. It can organize and maintain internal order. Adaptation, it can adjust to environmental changes. Reproduction, it can copy or reproduce themselves. Evolution, which can improve or change over generations. Autonomy, that is, they can work without external control. Emergent behavior, that is, complex patterns arise from simple rules. Some examples of artificial life applications: genetic algorithms, which is used in the computer science area, used in optimization, scheduling, and game AI. Second example is swarm robotics. In the area of robotics, where robots cooperate like ants to complete tasks. Evolution simulations in biology research, which are used to study how species evolve. Next example is the artificial cells in medicine, which help in drug delivery or tissue growth. Then the next example is virtual creations like games and entertainment, where they create lifelike behavior in digital characters. These are some of the examples. Now let's see the relationship between AI, artificial intelligence, and artificial life, A-life. So artificial intelligence focuses on thinking and decision making, whereas artificial life focuses on living behavior and evolution. The goal of artificial intelligence is smart behavior, whereas A-life is lifelike behavior. Artificial intelligence works based on logic and reasoning, whereas artificial life works based on biology and natural evolution. Lastly, artificial intelligence examples are chatbots, image recognition, etc., whereas artificial life examples are genetic algorithms, artificial organisms, etc. What are the advantages of artificial life? Artificial life helps in understanding biological life more deeply. It encourages new computing techniques inspired by nature. Can lead to autonomous robots that adapt to real world changes. Another advantage of artificial life, it is used in evolutionary designing products automatically. It contributes to medical and genetic research through simulations. Some limitations and ethical concerns of artificial life are unpredictable behavior. That is, artificial organisms might evolve in unexpected ways. Ethical concerns, creating synthetic life raises more questions. Its complexity, simulating real life biological systems is very hard. Control issues, that is, it is very hard to ensure they don't behave undesirably. Some future of artificial life. Integration of artificial life with artificial intelligence to create self-evolving intelligent system. Development of synthetic organisms for medicine and agriculture. Another future scope is can be used in space exploration, that is robots that adapt to other planets. Digital ecosystems that simulate entire virtual worlds for research. Now let's conclude our topic artificial life. That is, artificial life is not just about creating robots or simulations. It's about understanding life itself. By studying life as it could be, scientists can uncover the fundamental rules that govern all living systems. In the future, artificial life, may bridge biology and technology, leading to systems that are truly adaptive, evolving, and intelligent. That's all about my topic. I hope it was clear. Thank you.